You can run both private and public extracts to a local drive and public extracts to a global connection. To view a list of all extracts you have access to, navigate to the Viewpoint Extracts report. The list displays your private extracts and all the public extracts you have access to. You can run the extracts in this report and save them to a local drive. Search the report results by clicking the search icon and entering search text. You can also filter the report by selecting data chain objects or by selecting a view or a viewpoint. The report is refreshed automatically after you change a filter. To reset the filters on any report to the default settings, click Reset All Filters. To run an extract to a file and save it to a local drive, click Run Extract to File for the extract. For incremental extracts, you can change the file name and modify the default from and to dates for the extract. Note: this overrides the from and to dates for the current incremental extract only. It does not change the default values on the extract itself. Click Remove Override to restore the original values from the extract. For generational and full extracts, you can change the file name. I'll run the extract. Save the extract file and open the extract to view its contents. In this example, a node filter expression limited the extract to only the descendants of the sales node. You can also run public extracts from the applications list, a REST API, or EPM Automate. Note: to run a public extract this way, you must have data manager permission or better on a dimension. To learn more about using REST API or EPM Automate to run public extracts, check the links in the description. Let's run a public extract from the applications list. Start on the applications page. Find the row for the application. In the action column, click Action and then select Extract. Extracts are organized under their related dimensions. Select the extract you want to run. This extract is defined to output all data from a viewpoint to a file. You can use the default file name or enter a custom file name. Click Run Extract to create and save the extract file to a local drive. The date and time that the extract was last run is displayed under the extract. You can view the history for public extracts only. If an extract was run as a part of an extract package, the name of the package is also displayed. In the action column, click Download to File to download the historical extract file from the server. This can be useful if your browser times out during long extracts or to compare extract results to previous extract files. Note: you can download extract files that were run to file only. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.